So good evening. Today is 26th of June 2024. So I will do the journal of yesterday's trade as well as today's trade. So first journal yesterday's trade. So I took this. I wanted to take this, but I traded in ADA. There was no trade diversification. Only I took in ADA, and ADA broke down, but it was showing strength and it went up. And BTC was weak. See, I didn't trade BTC and it fell like a charm. My target was, if I enter here, my target was like this area or this blue line area, maximum the blue line area. And then I waited, and again same kind of wedge pattern is forming here, but it is not so accurate. And the thing is, I think I journal this one or trade plan. See, from this top to this bottom, here it is 38% retracement area. From this top to this bottom, it is like 50% area. Leave this one first, this one, okay. So it was like a double top here also, and a good supply support and resistance zone, and 20 MA is also there. It needs to cross. So what happened was, before it crossed down, it just showed a breakout, one touch, two touch, three touch, kind of four touch also, and then breakout. But I didn't sell it here, neither I bought it here. I thought at first sellers will take it down, but buyers own, and buyers took it up little, then sellers entered, and I entered here, and then the crash came. But not crash, this is a huge movement came. See how much stop loss and how much the profit. And so I didn't held till here. I thought it will come to this portion, but I exited my quantity here, and there was a mismanagement in trade position, means position sizing, and yeah, that is the main problem. Otherwise yesterday I was profitable. Here one ADA long, that one I had lost, then breakdown. The good thing was I was cutting my loss fast. Only the short trade I was not cutting because BTC is falling, but in mind it was there that if BTC will reverse little bit for retracement, ADA is so strong, it will move fast. So I need to cut the SL in ADA, but I held on to the trade, and that is the problem which I should have not done. What I thought was correct. So next time, suppose I have done trade diversification and it is not showing the equal strength. See, in Bitcoin it was showing the strength, but not strength, weakness. But in ADA it was showing strength. So I should have exited at break even. I exited partial quantity, I exited, which I added, means I was pyramiding. So that pyramiding position I exited, but I hold on to the original position, and my SL was hunt. And see that buy position, there was little loss that could have been not avoided. That buy position that couldn't be avoided, but this sell position could have been avoided. And then market crash. This one I took one position here in with means other platform, and in Dogecoin also I traded the same thing. And means in mind I was like, a streak of profit is going on, so I can't capture a good trade, and that's why I didn't have the confidence to put on full quantity. So I reduced my quantity to half, or like 0.75%. And then we'll see that one later. And see, this one was this needs a printout. See, market came, change of character, breakup structure, it is there. So okay, and then it went up straight up. I saw in morning, I didn't trade, like there is no setup for me, I will not trade. So it went up. See, if I was like means instinct or by thinking, if I have traded, I would have shorted here. But see, the moment the market gave, and thing was, my plan was to like look over this position, so market will come to this equal high and the support area. And another thing is, this is a Fibonacci area also, 38.2%. So from bottom to top, let's show it from to top. See, oh, the 38.2% is much down. But still it is valid, not it is kind of valid. And another thing is, there is a pattern. This means market structure has changed, means it is forming high, a new high, so it needs a retracement and then it will move high. And see how much the good setup it was. See, one touch, two touch, three touch, and kind of four. Okay, one is Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci not exact, but a good thing was there. One support means, okay, let mark with pen. So one was kind of Fibonacci, two is trend line, trend line is very good, and then three is pattern is also there, this pattern is there. And also pattern, two patterns are there, one is this flag pattern and also a chart pattern at bottom, that is W. And see, this is low, this is high, this is a very good pattern for a long position, because this is not like this. And like this it forms, then it needs RSI divergence. But I was not confident in this trade because of one thing, that is, see, here one fair value gap is there, and also market has moved in straight line. See, here also straight line, okay, it came down, that's why I waited that market will come down, but it didn't come. And I was going to put some position here by see, my plan was to put a position like entry was here and SL was here. And the thing is, my chart was not opening in phone, and also in other things also, means Binance was not opening, and other platform is also not opening for placing the trade. That's why I missed this setup. Okay, that was this setup, this beautiful setup was not my fault. Okay, my fault is in this setup. See, after I slept, and then when I woke up, it was like trading like this. So I saw here, I could have made an entry, but I didn't make an entry. And see, it worked like a charm, and this is a equal low, equal high. So market has tendency to reverse, so book few quantity here, and then 1:3. See, 1:3 here not fulfilled, so let's keep it here. 1 2.6675. Some of my quantity was pending, but that's okay. So kind of few quantity I will book here, right? Because this is a supply zone, market might not go high, who knows what will happen. So I saw this one also, but I didn't trade because market is already forming higher high, and it might reverse easily, because this trend line is a 1 2 3 4 touch completed, means fifth touch it might not go high. So at least I could have booked it here, right? No, it is not a good risk reward trade. So okay, part of game, no problem. And today's trade that I was waiting, I means I broke some rule here, kind of. I broke some rule. So the thing is, so this is the thing. See, it is forming high, higher, high. Okay, and then this beautiful setup is forming, and this is a equal top. That is my kind of favorite thing. And also you can see tell that this is a double top also. So RSI divergence will be there because the strength it went up, came down little slower it went, and I saw it here also. Means I woke up at morning here at market was trading here. I was not sure to enter here, but I could have entered. I could have entered, but it will go against my trading plan because it might go up to 100 ISLs. But the thing is, it formed equal top. That is the main thing you could have kept in mind. But see, still it is not 1:2. Oh. This means this area was too much for me to give the SL, and this is the thing. See, it went beautifully. And the thing here, I saw here also, but the thing was, I was not confident to place. Bought I bought some quantity here, maybe thinking this big red candle is formed, so market will start to move, like trapping the sellers. It will start to move upwards, but market slowly came down. And the thing is, the mistake that I did buying here was, okay, that's the thing. Learning from my mistake is, like, the green candle is okay, these things are okay, but it needs to cross this trend line. After it has crossed this trend line, you could have placed a buy order and keeping a SL of this low. Then the scenario might be different because it has crossed the trend line, and also if this structure has crossed, then it might get the SL of these peoples and these peoples, then entry could have been made. That was the thing in my mind, but it didn't. Market won't always follow what is in my mind. Market is supreme. So okay, no problem. IOTX, I shorted in IOTX because the thing was more suitable to my eyes and it was making more perfect setup. So it formed this low, and then I took a position here. And the thing is, my target was like this low, like 1:5, not more than that, not less than that. So my target was 1:5. Thing is, this extreme break came, but I was in fear that market won't go go straight. So I booked at first. The thing is, I had, and good thing is I am placing limit order. I kept limit order here, and mistake was I exited. See, first one exit was okay. 50% of my quantity I exited, not 50, 30% of my quantity I exited here. And then the mistake was this, it was in 7-minute time frame. I was seeing in 7-minute time frame. So see, I exited few quantity here, and then means after booking the means after exiting that partial quantity, means booking profit of partial quantity, I can't hold on to the trade more to let it fall or let it run to that place. So see, if I have brought down myself from that area to this area after booking 50% of my quantity, yes, market has gone to that area, but it took time. So this is breakdown bar. So my SL could have been here. I kept a little bit up, but that's okay. Yes, my SL could have been here. I could have placed my SL here. It was the perfect place to keep my SL there and see 1:2 be touched. Okay, it's all part of game, no problem. I still means I am still profitable in this trade, so that is the main thing. Because see, after this much crash it might cover up, then grab the SLs, then it might go up, go down. So my initial entry was here. See, it reversed the thing. I can't enter here, right? Okay, let's go to 5 minute time frame. See, I was waiting for these candles to touch the 20 EMA, then show the reaction. See the reaction, how much beautiful it is. Okay, now Doge, IOTX done, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge. In Ethereum also it was kind of same thing, but I didn't trade. So this is Doge, what I was means what I have planned yesterday. And the thing is, see, and see the punishment of early entry. I entered here, I kept my SL here. Okay, see, that previous trade what I said, no, that too much small SL is not good. I entered here and I kept my SL right above this. So this is if this is a breakdown bar, then this is all in one accumulation area. So my SL won't be, see, it didn't break totally, so my SL owned is not at a good place. So it should be at this top or at this top. Then it was at good place. But okay, that's the part of game. And then see this candle only SL seat. These are all SLs. Market order. These are market order SLs. And then another thing. In this is synced with, so this I saw the same thing. I saw the same thing in Bitcoin. So this candle only I again entered 1000 quantity instead of 1000 quantity, it should be 2000 quantity. But okay, my mind was not okay, I was feeling like that, so I entered and then I exited at this area. I got fear. This blue line is in, it is the area of 1 to 1.5, but I exited earlier. That is the mistake. That one I need to control a little bit, means following the plan. 1 is to 5, 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 5, and 1 is to 1 is to 3. So another thing was, this one I didn't plan also. So here, let's see, I entered kind of here. I kept my SL on this top of this, like this. I kept my SL, and my first target was this. No, my SL was little above only. Okay, this was 1 is to 1.5, and see, this is the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap, and it touched the fair value gap. From that only it reversed from the middle point of the fair value gap. The middle point of the fair value gap is very crucial. So it touched that fair value gap and it went up like anything. And see, I held 15% of my quantity, so I exited here without, means by afraid I exited here. Otherwise it would have been profit. Okay, small mistakes I'm doing, that one I have to avoid in next month, because next month I will increase my quantity. See, another thing, here is one trap setup but that failed. See, this is a good zone. Okay, this is break of structure zone. So this is one high. See how much perfectly it has taken this uh, support, so not support, resistance. So this candle, see this candle, it went up, it came down. I would have shorted it here, kept myself up above this, and this was 1 is to 5. reversed. It won't work always because BTC started to trend, go towards the trend. That's why Dogecoin trap the sellers, and it started to go up. Okay, it's all part of game and psychology. No problem. Next month I will be more strong and I will trade more respectfully and discipline. With more discipline I will trade. Okay, thank you. If you like my journal, do subscribe and you can comment so that we can talk and make a team. Thank you. Bye bye.